What is up everyone, Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, mag-unbox tayo and first impressions for the Redragon Elf Pro. So, let's go! Alright, to start off with our unboxing of the Redragon Elf Pro. So, inspect na muna natin yung box. So, this is what it looks like. Wow, stig. So, transparent. And then, kita mo yung mga switches sa loob, no? And that gives a bright glow ng mga RGB lights, no? Na nandun sa loob ng mga switches. So, rate na muna natin. This is, again, Redragon. And then, gasket-mounted keyboard. Yan, keystroke stability, whatever that means. Test out naman natin ito mamaya. Unique transparent design, hand hot swappable. Yan yung lagi kong requirement. So, kagaya nung rack lamp ang light ko, napapalit na natin. No, hot swappable din kasi mas tumatagal. I mean, unless masira yung board or yung chip niya sa loob, ang papalitan mo lang lagi is yung switches, no? So, mas nakakatipid ka in the long run. So, Elf Pro wireless crystal, 75%. So, yung rack lamp ang light kasi is an 87% kasi yun ay 10 keyless or TKL. Right, so, check natin tong baba. Redragon Elf Pro, RGB, of course. Plus FPS yan. Next is sa right natin, Elf Pro, and then yung logo ng Redragon. Sa left, yun yung serial. And then, sa baba, kutin lang natin. Again, a picture of the keyboard itself. Some features here na kung gusto nyong basahin. I don't read that, no? Kasi gusto ko i-test out agad. So, I think ang pinaka-notable dito is it can be through wireless 2.4 GHz or through Bluetooth. So, pwede din. And then, kung gusto nyo naka-wired lang, okay lang din. Dito sa gilid nakalagay yung kanyang 2.4 GHz dongle. Ayan. Ayan, transparent housing keycaps, gasket-mounted, Redragon customized crystal switch, and hot swappable design for more versions. But, in any case, may mga nakahanda naman akong Otemu brown switches dyan kasi mas prefer ko talaga ang brown switches. So, buksan na natin to, no? Tignan natin kung anong itsura nito first hand. So, nabili ko pala to sa halagang 3,650 pesos. Pero, syempre, may mga vouchers tayong ginamit kasi sa Shopee ko to binili. So, ang shop na pinagbilihan ko is Hightech PC. So, if you want to check them out, I'll put the link of this exact keyboard doon sa ating description. Una ko kasi itong nakita sa GameStop, no? Sa actual store, sa physical store. And then, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, sobrang ganda. Sayang lang, wala silang demo unit doon. Pero, tingin na lang ako ng mga review online. Then, nag-decide ako na ito talaga yung kapalit ng aking rack lamp ang light. Kasi sobrang ganda niya, no? Ayan. So, opening up the box, you'll be greeted by the keyboard itself na nakalagay sa mga styrofoam. And then, meron siyang wrap na kaya nito. And then, wow. Grabe. Clear kung clear to, guys. Grabe. Ooh. Nice. So, it is an Otemu brown switch. So, sobrang satisfying pindutin. Mamaya, ita-typing test natin to, no? Pero, set aside muna natin. Tingnan muna natin yung ibang nasa box. Ayan. So, meron tayong, this is some switches. Wow, meron palang free switches na binibigay sila. So, that's nice. Kasi, pag may nasira, automatic, meron kang pamalit. No? Although, meron na akong mga naka-ready dyan na pamalit. Pero, for someone na walang naka-ready pamalit na switch, this is a nice addition. So, meron kang 4 na free switches. Yan. Some stickers ng Redragon. Madalas, nagbibigay talaga silang stickers with their products. So, may mga Redragon na ako na-encounter before. And then, this is the manual. Redragon Elf Pro. This is the Type-C cable. Ayan. So, it looks nice. It's white. And then, it has a Redragon logo there. And this is the switch puller and the keycap puller. Yan. And then, yan lang yung nasa box. So, ita-typing test natin to in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow, sobrang satisfying nito. Promise. Na. So, may mga plastic din siya. So, tagalin lang natin to and then reveal din natin yung ilalim. Teka, tagalin natin yung plastic niya. May mga plastic kasi siya. Wow. Okay. Balikta rin natin. Tanggalin natin yung kanya. Ooh. Konti pa, konti pa. Oh no. Para akong para akong Matteo Guidicelli mag-unwrap tanggal ng plastic. So, ito yung kanyang dongle for the 2.4 GHz which I will be using. Kasi ayoko ng Bluetooth, no. Mas preferred ko ang 2.4 GHz. Although may Bluetooth capability naman yung desktop ko. Pero mas reliable lang si 2.4 GHz. Tanggalin na natin to. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang gilid. Nandito yung kanyang Type-C for charging or if gusto mong naka-wired connection, you can do that. Then, ito yung switch niya. Medyo clear lang kasi, no? Hirap makita. Teka lang. Ayusin natin yung kanyang. Ayan. So, meron siyang switch dito for 2.4 GHz or kung gusto mong off, which is, ang off is of course yung wired. And then, meron tayong Bluetooth dito. Okay. And then, sa right, there's none. Sa top, there's none. And then, sa baba is of course yung kanyang details. So, ayan. So, meron din tayong stands dito. Ayan. Meron tayong 2 levels kung gusto mo mas mataas. Or ko bahala, mas mababa. I prefer the highest. Kasi gusto ko nakaharap sa akin ng ganyan yung aking keyboard pag nagta-type. Alright, so turning this on for the first time. So, sorry, medyo magulo yung desk ko. Pero, ito yung highlight natin for today. On na natin. Grabe. Pwede nitong ilawan ang buong mundo. Grabe, sobrang bright nito. Nakakatawa. Grabe to Punta tayo sa Notepad. Grabe, ang bilis din ng connection. Wala nang installation. Sinaksa ko lang yung USB dongle niyan for the 2.4 GHz and it's already working. Pwede ba nating palitan ito? Medyo maliwanag no? So, pwede ba natin itong palitan? Hello? Okay, pwede ba palitan natin? Ayan, napapalitan natin. Grabe, ang daming modes. Pwede bang static lang, guys? Static. Ay, grabe. Nasa ba to? Static. Give me static, my friend. Ayoko niyan. Pwede bang static lang, please? Static. Anyway, let's do the waterfalls for today. So, try natin mag-type. Ooh, so nice. Grabe. I'm loving this already. Grabe. I love brown switches and this is a brown switch. So, ita-test out natin to and then I'll update you in some weeks or in some months after I have used this extensively. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and I'll see you on the next one.